FlexArm. Today I'm going to talk to you about one of the myths that comes with robotics. A lot of times people think you have to run tens of thousands, millions of parts in order to justify automating that solution. Here at FlexArm with our Ready Robot, we typically run a couple hundred parts per run. So that means we have a lot of changeover. And typically, like I said, the myth behind that is changeover is bad, changeover takes a long time, and it's just not efficient. The Ready Robot software really enables you to make that changeover time a lot shorter, a lot more efficient, and so you can run these smaller jobs. With Ready Robot's user interface, they make it easy to change over to the next job. A lot of times you can just copy and paste a program from a part you've ran before, and if it's similar, most of the points and programmed moves line up. You just have to fine tune them, and that really makes the process more efficient and just easier for everyone involved. For example, today we just changed over from one job. We were running a small pin, and we moved it to another job where we're running a longer pin, and took about maybe an hour, hour and a half tops this morning. That was changing the tools in the machine, writing the program for the machine, and then the robot stuff, picking up points, inserting into the collet, programming those points, everything that was needed in an hour and a half. Now we'll run that part for probably about 2 days with the quantities that we have, and then we'll be ready to change it around after that again. So again, one of the myths here we're trying to bust here at FlexArm is that robots have to run high quantity jobs, and that's it. We're using it here in our manufacturing to boost our small jobs, and it's working. If you have any questions or want to hear more about what we're doing here at FlexArm to boost our manufacturing, give me a call. My number is 419-738-8836. Thanks and have a great day.